In this video, we will talk about how to subtract decimals when we have positives and negatives. The first step we want to do is go ahead and do our keep, change, change, since this is a subtraction problem. So for the first question, I have 2.7 minus negative 3.4. I'm going to keep my 2.7, change subtraction to addition, and change negative 3.4 to positive 3.4. So when I rewrite it, it's going to show up as 2.7 plus a positive 3.4. Now I'm going to line up my decimals and either add or subtract. Because both of these numbers are positive, that means I'm going to add to get my answer. So 3.4 will go first since that's the bigger number, plus 2.7. I know 4 plus 7 is 11, carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. And since both of my numbers are positive, that means my answer will be positive. So for the first one, I get 6.1 as my final result. The next question, I've got a little bit different of an example. It says negative 2.7 minus 3.4. Again, I'm going to start with keep, change, change because we are subtracting decimals. So I'm going to keep negative 2.7, change subtraction to addition, and change 3.4 to negative 3.4. Then I'm going to follow those same rules as applied, noticing that I've got same signs, so I will be adding these. Let's go ahead and line up decimals first. 3.4 going on the top, 2.7 underneath. Adding them, I get 4 plus 7 is 11. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. So I get 6.1 again, but noticing that both of my decimals are negatives, so that means my answer has to stay negative. So negative 6.1 would be my answer here.